Hello viewers, I want to show you how to solve iPhone 11 Pay NFC IC not working. Let's solve the problem after the intro. As you see in the screen that swiping the card, the NFC system is not working. Let's disassemble the mobile. Unbind the screws and unplug the wires. To find out the problems. Unplug the board and set it into the heating board. Clean the board and use the proper heater part those board part by part. Find the present conditions inside the IC. Use the heat gun and soldering wick to clean inside. Now put the motherboard in the heating board what is apart before and use heat to fit those boards. Now board is set. Let's fix the mobile part by part. Bind the screws and plug the wires properly. Now, check again and the NFC system is working. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.